Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a scenic journey over Blazed Creek, nestled in the Central Kootenay region of British Columbia. This picturesque area is known for its lush forests, winding waterways, and rich history. Blazed Creek is located approximately 26 kilometers northwest of Creston, a charming town situated at the south end of Kootenay Lake. As the drone glides over the landscape, you'll notice the dense forests that characterize this region. The area is home to a variety of wildlife, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Birdwatchers, in particular, might be interested to know that the Blazed Creek Rest Area along Highway 3 is a noted spot for observing different bird species. The Central Kootenay region encompasses several quaint communities, each with its unique charm. For instance, the village of Caslow, located on the west shore of Kootenay Lake, is known for its rich history and vibrant art scene. Similarly, the village of Nakusp, situated on the shores of Upper Arrow Lake, offers stunning views and natural hot springs. The Central Kootenay region is also known for its outdoor recreational opportunities. From hiking and fishing to exploring historical sites, there's something for everyone. The natural beauty and serene environment make it a perfect getaway for those looking to connect with nature. Thank you for joining this aerial tour over Blazed Creek and the surrounding Central Kootenay region. The blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant communities makes this area a true gem in British Columbia.
Thanks for watching!